Feet down, feet down, feet down, feet down. Yes, there. Good girl. Feet down, feet down, feet down, feet down. Good girl.
Crazy8Family.
Can you say good morning?
What? I hear news.
Good morning.
Burn day, and it's gonna be super warm today.
Like 70 degrees.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Nice. This is nice.
Short sleeves riders. So nice. Hey, you little spiders.
Look, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I wanna get you.
Wow, it's so nice out.
I know.
You like the 70 degrees?
Yep.
Yeah, I would like it to stay.
Yeah, I wanted to stay.
Oh, is Sophia pushing you, Lucas?
I'm the queen.
Mommy's gonna put your shoes on, okay?
No, I'm the queen.
No, I'm the queen! Are you okay?
Yeah. I got your feet. I got your feet.
Whoa. It's almost time, guys.
He said it's funny.
Almost time to go to the park. What'd you get, Naomi?
Sundance.
What a smart girl. Y'all ready to groom Sundance?
Yep.
Hello, Bianca.
Check this out.
Bianca.
Hey, Bianca.
Oh.
Look, she's gonna do it.
Whoa. She got it. Look at her go,
Look, she's
Lucas.
gonna jump through this one. We're not. She's still.
Bianca over here.
Oh, there she goes. So cool, isn't it, Lucas?
Right here.
You say hi?
Mom, we got all this done. You need
The
to
girls
use
are
more
all
too.
ready. We got the groomer, the chat girl, and the,
Glove.
what do you have? The bridal?
Yep.
So what are you missing?
Sundance.
Yes. So here's Molly. Molly's gonna have a baby.
To anybody.
Oh, a little baby Minnie in there. Hi, Molly. Oh.
She's so cute.
Hi, Molly. So Molly's gonna have a baby in 4 to 6 weeks, they think.
I'm pet. Do you want a pet?
You want to pet Indy? Say hi, Indy.
Hi, Mama.
Indy's just sniffing you.
Huh?
Hi, Dream. Lucas.
Hi.
Hello, Dream. You sniffing me? Are you sniffing?
So neat.
Oh, Indy's coming to say hi to you, Naomi.
Yeah, but I pet it like that. He's sweet.
Want to pet the horse?
I'm not doing anything. How's the hat? She's a grandma. The hat.
What?
She's a grandma. See? Her mouth is like...
She's not. Actually, she's young. She's only like 5 years old. She's like your age, Naomi.
Mom, her coat. I touched her hair and got some hay out. I'll pet the horse. Pet the horse. You want to pet the horse, please? Yes. Oh, hat.
Is it hot?
Hot.
Yes, because it's 70 today.
Mom, look at her hair.
I know, it's so pretty, isn't it?
It's curled.
She's got like wavy hair.
So pretty. I'm Tessa.
I bet you want to braid it, don't you?
Yep, I want to braid it. Also, there's some knotted hair. Huh.
And brush it, right?
Yep. It's big.
How's that feel, Gabriel? You're getting a little nibble on the ear?
I'm petting Molly.
Isn't she so pretty?
Oh, they're hot.
Yes, the horses are hot.
Where's the ears?
What?
She likes Alphonsus' ear too.
Oh, so sweet.
you're my favorite hearse. Dream's my favorite hearse too. She's so pretty.
Naomi's so excited to say hi to Sundance. You know Sundance?
Wow, she's so cute.
So is Sundance hard to get?
Not really.
No? Oh.
Okay.
Have you missed Sundance, Sophia?
Hi,
Sundance. Hiyo.
Fuzzy.
Isn't he?
Fuzzy. On the toot.
Yes. Sundance is cute.
Good you go.
Hard brush, pick feet.
You're ready to get groomed, Sundance? Dusty pony.
Dusty pony.
Put some muscle into that. There you go. Need to come off because you don't want him to get dirty there. But see, when you're not in this front of his face, see how much better he is?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can put some pressure on that and brush him.
Yeah. Next, the hose.
Gonna pick now, Maddie?
Yep. Why do you need to put these things on? So he doesn't run off.
Get a little sweeper.
That is your bridle.
Look at that.
Look at his teeth.
That's silly.
Yeah. There's like food in like here.
Okay, now you stand to the side of your horse. This hand, open. This hand goes down and guides the bit into his mouth. You have to push it in. And if he doesn't open, you have to be able to stick your thumb into the side where he has no teeth and open up.
Well, that's a cute little hairdo.
Yep. It's cute. That's okay. Just like hit me and he's like, sorry, Chacha. I'm like, oh, that's okay.
You see Sundance?
Cows.
You see Naomi riding?
Uh-huh. Don't touch the ground.
The arena looks nice, doesn't it, Sophia?
Yeah. Super nice.
Super nice.
I'm next.
You're riding next? Sophia's gonna ride next, Lucas.
I'm sure. Can I have a hug? The tails. Your cheek.
kick this leg over to me.
Good. How was your ride?
Good.
What do you say to your horse?
How was your ride, Sundance? So cute.
go for a ride? One time around for Lucas, right? You like going to Sundance? Alright, it's Maddie's turn. Best rider of the day. Have fun, Maddie. What time is it now?
Bareback time.
Whoopsie.
You gotta tighten this one.
I think Naomi's gonna try it too.
Mom, what, Bendy? What's the name?
Sundance? Indy?
Watching.
Is Indy watching this ride?
Yeah.
You?
Now I'm gonna try bareback.
Did you do bareback before with the other girls?
No.
You got to ride bareback?
Yeah,
So
but
cool.
this time. I didn't even do bareback the other time.
No.
All right,
He's smiling.
now it's Miss Naomi's turn.
Oh, you have to get off your pony. All right, one last hug and kiss, Maddie. time. Bringing a dirty pony for a bath. Nice sweaty dirty pony. Alphonsus loves moose.
Let's do in between his hind legs, where his girth goes, in between his chest. Now. You lift his tail up to the side. And go in between his hind legs where he's all sweaty back there.
Maddie. You want to have a turn?
Okay. Why do your nail get this wet?
Because otherwise it dries and gets salty and they can get sores.
Oh.
The salt irritates. Okay, next side.
Because you want to do it more next one.
All right, you need more water on him.
And up here now.
There the saddle goes, underneath the girth. The proper way to do it is to go with the way the hair
do it hard.
Good.
Towel it up.
Yep. Ponytail.
What was that?
Good, Lucas.
Your edible?
Good.
No, not to people.
Very good.
Hands flat, Naomi. There you go. You hold yours and give it to me for a second. Are you ready?
Good boy, Lucas.
Not for your treat. Are you ready to take him out?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold your horse.
Good job.
Do you think the pony's gonna roll, Maddie?
Yeah. It's all poopy. Their side all dirty.
Wow, good thing you guys cleaned them, huh?
We're gonna have a lot to clean next time we ride.
So silly, Lucas. Have a good day, Sophia?
What?
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
How about you?
Good.
Is it hot?
My hair is sweaty because of my helmet. Bye. Thanks for watching Crazy8 Family. Bye.
Bye.
And watch us